Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are tackling one of the most common coding interview question and one of the first algorithm every programmer learn. How to find the maximum number in an array. If you see here, find the maximum in an array. I have provided an array as 37294. By visually seeing, you can able to find the max array as 9. But how the computer will identify? It can't visually see and it can't identify, right? So we'll see. Like, let me discuss like with one example. So you joined as a judge in the context. So there we have a number of contestants. You have to see one by one, and you have to find the winner. Okay, the first one came. The first contestant came. You will see as he is the as she is the first contestant. There will be no one there for comparison. So you thought she is the best. Okay. Then second contestant came. Then you will compare, and whoever best, then you will store that in your memory. Like that you will do for all consistent. The one who come at last, so then you will decide who will be the best. So that's why it's like finding the same in the max. If you see here, you have given an array. In this array you have to identify one of the max number. For identifying, so we'll have like no we'll create one into variable into max, and we'll assign 0, and we'll iterate because you need to go with from 0th position to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 9, 9 to 4. Then you will identify the max element. You will compare one by one. If the current element is greater than the max, okay, then you will assign the max value to that large element. So that's why at each iterations you will compare one by one in the all elements in an array. So I from I equals 0 to I less than n you will iterate, and each iteration you will increment an array. Here, if max value is greater than or array of 5, the current element which are you are iterating, then you are assigning max element as array of 5, and like this it will iterate all the elements. By the end of the iterations, you will find the max element as 9. Can you trace it here? In this case, first max equal to 0, then I equal to 0. It will check I 0 greater than 3. If it is greater than 3, then max equal to assigned to 3, then I is equal to 1. Okay, again array of I equal to 7 greater than 3. Sorry, here 3 is array element, right? It should be greater than, right? So max value is 3 greater than 7. As 7 is greater than 3, you will assign max value as 7. Then iteration 2, it will check. So array of 2 equal to 2. Okay, 2 greater than 7. As it false, you cannot do any changes. Then later I equal to 3. Okay, you will get 9. Okay, 7 greater than 9. As it is greater than 9, you will assign max equal to 9. Then if you check I equal to 4, the value is 4. 4 uh, sorry, 9 greater than 4, it is false. So by end of the iteration, the max number is 9. Okay, here we have one issue is, if you see, max we assigned as 0. Let us assume if the array have negative elements. Okay, if it has negative elements, then as it is 0, you are always comparing 0 with greater than, the negative values it will not able to compare, and it will not able to identify the exact solution. For this, instead of assigning int value as 0, you will assign int max as first element. Okay, Then you will iterate one by one from I0 to IN and I plus plus. Here if you see, if again here also, if max value is greater than of array of I, then you will replace with max with array of I. Okay, here as we are assigning the first value, it will compare the value, it will not have any default values or zero, so that if a negative case also it will work. If you want to like reduce a code a bit, okay, if that is the case, so here you have performing, right? Instead of this we can also do max equal to, we have math functions, right? Math of max, max of array of I, whichever max it will take the max. Fine. And how we will write this in Java 8? So recently for every interview they will asking the questions, write the code in the using Java 8, right? So here as it is a array, you need to use streams, arrays dot stream of, you need to pass the stream, right? You should pass the an array, then it is a stream. On top of stream you will get the max of value and get as int, you will get the int value. So this is int max. This is how we'll get the data from the Java 8 streams. Hope you understand the video. Please like, comment and share. Thank you.